If you learned anything from this, like I learned from this while I was making this, it is so much of the stuff that we do in our Judaism, so much of the different customs and traditions are actually, we tend to look at our tradition, I think, I'll speak for myself in this way too, we tend to speak about our tradition and look at our tradition as if we are in a museum too often, where we take a step back and we look with awe and reverence at what this Yiddishkeit is, and we know that it is so respectable and it is supposed to be so held with esteem and awe that we're afraid to get up and to get our hands on it. And I think that that's a human thing. I think it's a normal, personal thing that we do. We love it so much and we respect it so much that because we revere it, we shouldn't touch it too much. But I think what all of this teaches us is that our Judaism changes and that the way that we create ritual and customs that become deeply and beautifully meaningful to us, so much so that we can't differentiate between if they're minhag or halacha, is because our ancestors got their hands dirty. They took their Judaism, and I know that this is kind of a light word, but I'm going to use it intentionally. They played with it. They took it and they used it in ways that made it feel meaningful and inspiring to them.